students. In our last video, we started our first lesson, the fun they had. Now in today's video, we will continue the lesson. But before we start our lesson, first of all, let us have some ideas about this lesson. It means what we already have discussed in that lesson. So here I have made some of the points. By reading that point, we come to know that we already have discussed this point. So here you can see that in the lesson, it opens in the year 2157. It means the lesson is set in the future, and at the same time it is talking about the past actions. Here past actions, that means we have to take into consideration the right now scenario. Why? Because this year is 2157 and right now 2020 is going on. Okay, another point that you can see, two characters are there. The name of those characters are Tommy and Margie. Another point, they were talking about school. Now as you know, as we already have discussed that about what they are talking about the school of the past. While they were talking about the past, or you can say that why they have started talking about the school. So here we come to know that Tommy found a very old book and they both got amazed after seeing that. Why? Because watching a book for them is a new experience at all for them. At the same time, we in the continuing the lesson, we come to know that Margie did not like the school. Now actually there wasn't school at all. They have everything at their home. They were learning virtually. But though Margie hated the school very much. What is the reason? The reason is we all know that she did not like her mechanical teacher. Why? Because mechanical teacher was asking for the test day by day, and that's why she did not like the school. She did not like the mechanical teacher and all. She did not like to give the test again and again. Likewise, you also. She was doing worse and worse in geography, and as she did not like to give the test, that's why what was happening, that she was doing worse and worse in her geography. So till here we have discussed. Now let us continue with our lesson. I am continuing with the previous paragraph. Okay, let us start. Margie was scornful. School. What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated the school, but now she hated it more than ever. The reason that we are going to learn here, what are the reasons that Margie hated the school? Here clearly it is written that the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Now her mother was also worried about her, that why Margie did not get enough marks in geography. Test after test was there, but at the same time Margie was not able to get good marks. So what is the reason? Now as you know that Margie had a robotic teacher, a mechanical teacher. Now as far as robot is concerned, a machine is concerned, may be possible that any kind of hindrance can be there. May be possible that the machine is facing some problems, and that's why the mother of Margie, what she did, that she sent for the county inspector. County inspector, that means we can say that in our last video also I have told you that county inspector is no one but the man who repairs that kind of machines, that kind of robots. Now let us continue with that thing. Now here the description of the robot is given. He was a round little man with a red face, whole box of tools with dials and wires. So here the description of the robot is given. What kind of robot is that? The mechanical teacher of Margie. So he was a round little man with red face. It has a red face. Whole box of tools were there. Not only that, but the dials and wires were also there. Why? Because it is nothing but a machine. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. And then after, what he did, that he smiled at Margie, and then after he also gave her an apple, and then again with that county inspector the teacher go, or you can say that went. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. So Margie was thinking about the robotic teacher, that even if that mechanical teacher gets repaired, may be possible that again I will have to put my taste into it, and again that boring life will go on. And Margie did not like that thing. There it was again, large and black and ugly, with big screen on which all the lessons were shown. A big screen was there and all the lessons were shown. And the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. So the most hated part of Margie in that mechanical teacher, in that robot, what was that? That is the slot. Why? Because she will have to put her homework into it, and that's why, not only homework but the test papers, and that's why she did not like it very much. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Now as it is a robot, you know that the speed of the robot is very fast, and that's why what is happening, that as far as she is putting the test into it, within no time there is a result, and that's why she did not like this kind of thing. What she did not like, that she did not like the school, she did not like the mechanical teacher even after getting the service of it. Now let us start the another. Here one new word is given to you, slot, that means a given space. Now slot is not a new word for you know it very well. Let us move ahead with the another paragraph. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. So county inspector, he smiled at Margie and also he patted her. Patted her, that means he has given some kind of appreciation to the Margie. Why? There is a reason. He said to her mother, what he said, it's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. So Mrs. Jones is the name of the Margie's mother. So actually it was not the fault of Margie. Which fault I am talking about? That is not getting good marks in the geography. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Now a sector was there, why? Because it was a robot, and that's why in the robot different kind of criteria has been there. That's why in geography sector what was there, that it was geared up, that means it was adjusted a little too quick, that means it is not at the level of the Margie. Those things happen sometimes, and sometimes this kind of limitations are there in the robots, as you know it very well. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Now, the county inspector, what he had done, that he had what he has done, that he has slowed down the average 10-year level, and that's why what is not going to be happen, that may be possible that again Margie will not come with bad marks. The overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and overall pattern of her progress is very satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again, because you know that it is not the fault of Margie, but because of the error in the machine, the error in the mechanical teacher, she was not getting good marks in the geography. Okay. Margie was disappointed. Now here we can see that Margie was still disappointed. Why? She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Who would take the teacher altogether? That means that county inspector. It means she did not like the school, she did not like the mechanical teacher, and that's why maybe possible that she also carving for which thing that the mechanical teacher should not be at home again. Why? Because she did not like the teacher, and that's why after seeing it again, after seeing the mechanical teacher again, what she felt, she had been hoping that they would take the teacher away altogether, but though it was not possible, the mechanical teacher was again at the home, and that's why Margie was feeling disappointed. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Even this thing also happened with the Tommy. But Tommy was quite lucky. Why? Because for 1 month the teacher was not there at the home, and that's why no study, no tension, no test, and like that. So what is happening there? Margie was also feeling like that my teacher will also be there for the 1 month or more than 1 month. But the case is different. Within no time, Margie's teacher was back again, and that's why she was feeling very disappointed. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? And that's why Margie, in a scornful manner, what she was telling that why would anyone write about the school? Why? Because schools are of no use. She was totally hated the school. Tommy looked at her with superior eyes. Superior eyes, that means with surprise he was looking at Margie. Now here is the answer why anyone like to write about the schools. Because it's not our kind of schools to pit. Again they come on the past. Here Tommy and Margie both are going to talk about the past school of their grandparents. Okay, Tommy is explaining why anyone is going to write about the school. Now here the description of the right now schools has been given. Let us see. Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. So it was not this kind of school at our home. So what kind of school it was? This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Okay, he added loftily, loftily that means in a superior way, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. It means here, no doubt, Tommy and Margie were talking about the right now school, but they are right now in the 2157s. You can say that they are talking about the past, and definitely it is the time period of centuries years ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. Margie was still hurt because she was thinking about her mechanical teacher and everything. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all the time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. So here in this picture you can see that Tommy and Margie are discussing about the old kind of school. Margie was thinking that there was a kind of man, and that man is known as a teacher. So this kind of thinking is there in Margie's mind. Even you can see in this picture that Margie is thinking about a teacher, about the old kind of school and everything. Sure, they had a regular teacher. Regular teacher, that means human being. Regular here, you can see here that here it means normal of the usual kind. So sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't regular teacher. It was a man. Now for them, who is the regular teacher? That is a robot. But if we talk about past of their time, it was a man. It means right now you are learning with the man. No robots are there to teach you. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So here you can see the surprise is there in the Margie's face. Why? because for Margie and Tommy, a man as a teacher is just a new thing, and that's why they are not able to understand, they are not able to enough understand, or you can say that believe that they had a man as a teacher. Why? Because they were habituated with the robotic teacher. And a question is that how a man can teach so many things to the students. That's why they both are feeling amazed. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So here Tommy is telling that maybe possible that he just told boys and girls the things. It means that they are giving all the things to boys and girls and gave them homework. Likewise, we all are giving to you. And then after, by asking some questions, they are doing the study. There isn't anything like robot, there isn't like anything like test, or maybe it may be there, but in some other ways. A man isn't smart enough. Now Tommy and Margie both were believing that how a man can that much smart, it means how a man can teach each and every subjects, and that's why a man isn't smart enough. Margie speaks like this: sure he is, my father knows as much as my teacher. This is the reply that she gets from it. He knows almost as much. I betcha. Betcha, that means I bet you. Okay. So this you can say that this is a kind of British pronunciation, American pronunciation. I bet you, that means I betcha. Okay. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. So Margie was not ready to accept a man as a teacher. Even she also said that I am not ready to keep a man in my house as a teacher to teach me. Why? Because a stranger cannot be live at our home. That is very simple. Tommy screamed with laughter. Now Tommy had a laughter on his face. Why? There is a reason. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. So likewise, their house, the mechanical teacher is with them. But if we talk about the grandparents of that Tommy and Margie, at that time, teachers have their own houses and they were not living in the students' houses. They had a special building and all the kids went there. So a special building is there for the kids. Building here we have to consider this building, that means a school, and kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing. So here is the question that, and all the kids learned the same thing, that is the question. Sure, if they were the same age. And the reply that she get from Tommy is that yes, they were learning the same thing, but only when they were of the same age. So this is how Tommy and Margie both were discussing about the old kind of school. Old kind of school, that means the right now school. Please don't confuse with this kind of thing. The main thing that you have to keep in mind is that the lesson is set in 2157 and Tommy and Margie are discussing about the old kind of school. Old kind of school is nothing but the right now school. So today we stop here, and in our next video we will continue with our 8th paragraph. I have given you a worksheet along with the explanation, so you have to prepare, you have to write the answers in your notebook. We will continue with our next video from the paragraph number 8. Thank you.